Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Hillsboro's 26-inch snowfall tally certified as all-time 24-hour snowfall record for the state of Texas. However, the mild weather came to an abrupt end on December 17 when an Arctic front blew through the region. Within 24 hours, temperatures had fallen some 40 degrees.
Let's help you make your mark.
White. The colors of snow. Generally, snow and ice present us with a uniformly white appearance. This is because visible light is white. Most all of the visible light striking the snow or ice surface is reflected back without any particular preference for a single color.
Take our lead.
The most recent snow of significance, in areas below 2,000 feet, was on December 6, 1998. Snow fell over roughly the northwest half of the valley where some minor accumulation was reported. The most significant documented snowfall event in Phoenix occurred on January 21 and 22 in 1937.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.